Hello friends, this is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn long division. How to divide 8448 by 4. Okay, so first we will divide this number by 4. So this is one digit number. So you will take inside also one digit. Okay, and you will see in 4 table 8 will come with how many times? Yani how many 4 become 8? So 2 times, because 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. So 4 2s are 8. Okay, now subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now you have to bring down this digit 4 down. You have to make a copy of this digit here. Bring down this 4 here. Now you will tell me 4 times how many 4 will make 4. So 4 ones are 4. So only one time. So 4 ones are 4. Now you will subtract again. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring down this 4 again, and already you have done this. So 4 ones are, again you will say 4 ones are 4. Again you will subtract, and now you have to bring down 8, and earlier also you have done. So 4 2s are 8. So again 2 times 4 2s are 8. So this is your remainder is 0. Now so this is your answer. Now I will take another example, like I have to do this 6818 divided by 9. This is single digit number, so I will take single digit. In 9 table 9 ones are 9. 9 multiply 1 is 9. So 6 is less than 9. So 6 is not coming in 9 table. 6 is less. When this first digit is less, so we will take 2 digit together. 2 digit we will take together, because in 9 table this is the smallest number in 9 table. 9 ones are 9 and 6 is not. So you cannot divide 6 by 9. So we will take 2 digit. Now you have to see how many times 9 makes 68. So 9 sevens are 63 and 9 eights are 72. 72 is big. So you cannot subtract 72 from this. So just before that is 63. So we will take 9 sevens are 63. Okay. So when the first digit is less than the divisor, so we have to take 2 digit together. Okay. So 9 sevens are 63. Okay. Now subtract. When you subtract 63 from 68, what is left? 8 minus 3 is 5 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Now next step, you have to bring down this 1. Now how many times 9 you will do? So 51 will come. So 9 5s are 45 and 9 6s are 54. 54 is big than this. So what we will take? 45. So 9 5s are 45. Now subtract this. So you have to borrow, because you cannot subtract 5 from 1. So borrow. This become 11 and here 4 is left. So 11 minus 5 is 6 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring down this 8 here. Now again you have already done. Then 9 sevens are 63. So 9 sevens are 63. You have to subtract this. 8 minus 3 is 5 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So this is your remainder. Here 5 is remainder. Here remainder is 0. This is how many step question? First step, second step, third step and fourth step. And this is first step, second step, third step. So question depends on the number, which big number you are taking or small number. So how many steps you have to do in that question. Okay. So in this way we will do divide. Okay. So keep in mind, when there is one digit number, choose first one digit. If first digit is less than the divisor, then you can take 2 digit together. Okay. Now take one more example. Now I have taken this 6005 divided by 5. Now I have taken this. Now 5, you have to choose one digit only. So 5 ones are 5. That is less than it. And 5 twos are 10. 10 is bigger than 6. So we will take 5 ones are 5. Now subtract. This 1 is left. Now 1 is the remainder. Now bring down this 0. Now 5 twos are 10 exactly. So when you subtract 10 minus 10, 0. Now bring down this 0. So in 5 table 5 zeros are 0. You can skip this step also, or you can write down 5 zeros are 0. Okay, and I can skip that. Okay, if this is not coming in 5 table, so you have to take second digit together and you will put 0 here. So 5 zeros are 0. Now 5 ones are 5. So this is the answer. Okay. Now see this example. In this example, you have to divide 2153 by 2. So this is single digit number, so you will take single digit. Okay. So 2 ones are 2. Now subtract 0. Now bring down this 1. 2 ones are 2. That is the smallest number in 2 table. 1 is not coming. Okay. So you have to bring down this 5 here also. So 2 digit when you are taking together, you have to put 0 here. And I told you in earlier example why. Why? Because if I will say 2 zeros are 0. So what is left? Remainder will be 1. And now you have to write down 5. So you can do stepwise also. And you can skip this step. And you can bring down 2 digit together. And but you have to put 0 here for that. This one. Okay. Now 2 sevens are 14. Okay. And 2 eights are 16. 16 is bigger than this. So we will not take bigger number. Just before that 14 is coming. So 2 sevens are 14. Now subtract. 1 is left. So 1 is remainder. Now we have to bring down this 3. 2 6 are 12. So 1 is your remainder. Keep one thing, this thing, when you are bringing down 2 digits together, you have to put a 0 here. Okay. Second, your remainder cannot be bigger than the divisor. Your remainder cannot be equal to and bigger than the divisor. अगर वो equal होगा तो यानी कि one more time you have to increase the value of that divisor. Okay. और अगर वो ज़्यादा है, if that is greater than the divisor, that means that is wrong. So you are underestimating the question. Okay. So always remember, when remainder is coming, just check that must be less than the divisor. See, in every case the remainder which is coming after subtraction, that is always less.